Hi there, my name is Robert Weston. I am a math instructor at Clark College in Vancouver, Washington. And I wanted to share this quick little video about something I've seen online with everyone starting to do more video conferencing. I've seen a few screenshots of professors' shared screens of maybe some personal things that they didn't want students to see or know about or whatever. And I just wanted to share two quick things that I do to make sure that my personal life and professional lives don't kind of commingle on video conferencing or in any kind of videos that I do. So the first thing is pretty simple. I just use two different browsers, one for personal, one for professional uh, internet lives or so. For my personal, I use Google Chrome, the browser there, to do anything with Gmail or Facebook or any random internet stuff I want to look at. And then for my professional internet life, I use Firefox. I use it for my learning management system, for homework, for any textbooks I have to look up. For any of that business, I'm always using Firefox. So first tip, just separate your personal and professional internet lives by using two different browsers. The second kind of tip I have is for Windows users. There's a feature in here where we actually can use two different desktops. So we all know we work on the desktop, right? But you can also open up kind of different desktops by holding down the Windows button and hitting the Tab button. If you do that, this new screen comes up, and I believe in Windows 10 they have this timeline feature showing you the different files that you've opened up recently. But we're interested in this new desktop feature up here on the top left. So if you hit New Desktop, you can see these two different desktops show up. And if we go to that new desktop, it's just totally blank, right? Looks like we haven't opened up anything. However, we can go back to the previous one by holding Control, the window button, and the left arrow. Just hit that left arrow once, and you should come back to that previous screen. So again, if we hold down Control, the Windows button, right arrow, we go back to that other desktop. Now we can open up that previous kind of new desktop screen by holding down the Windows button and hitting Tab again. And again, you can see we have these two different desktops. You can actually have way more if you need to. You can also move between these. So again, I'm going to hold down Windows and Tab. And we can now actually kind of drag and drop these different browsers or different programs into these two different desktops. One very kind of minor thing is that sometimes when you open up a file in one desktop, if you kind of control window over too quickly, it will actually kind of show up here in this other desktop. You can take care of that by going to the screen again, Windows Tab, and moving it around. But I just find it easier to, whenever I'm kind of in a work mode, open up a file, make sure it's opening up in that desktop. So yeah, these are two kind of quick things that I use to make sure my personal internet life and professional internet life don't commingle in ways I don't want to. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments or different ideas or suggestions, comment below. All right, thanks a lot, and I will hopefully talk to you soon.